like my face and you want to wear fluffy lashes and you know get a nice natural cute beat, then keep on watching. I literally haven't done my makeup in forever. It feels so good to be doing my makeup again. I've been going to school and going to work and going to work and going to school. I need this. Brings me joy. It's very peaceful. I want to start doing like really exotic eyeshadow. The only thing about that is I have to film on days that I'm not going anywhere. I'm a little nervous to be in public like that. I mean, I have went out with like rainbow eyeshadow, like I'll link it, and people complimented it, but a lot of people just stared at me and I hate being stared at. But I guess that's what comes with it. Can we just normalize makeup and people expressing themselves? Okay, eyebrows done. Gotta get the top because sometimes I do forget it. And if this is too fast for you, then I have a eyebrow video and I can link it. I don't know which side, so I point to both. And I love like small eyebrows. I don't like the thick boxy look. I like little eyebrows on me. Little skinny sharp eyebrows. Better. Today I want to try this bright eye under eye look. So okay, so now I got my face on, I'm gonna put some more for you right here because it's full coverage, and then I'm gonna, I don't really want to do all white under my eye. Oh my gosh, it came out like a string. And I'm gonna put it here. It's looking like it's just gonna be white to me, but we're gonna see. We're gonna keep our technique and don't treat it any different. Color back into it. I'm gonna use the same brush just so that like I can keep the white, I guess. So honestly, it doesn't look that bad. I don't look that white, surprising. First thing I'm gonna do is use this pressed powder that I always use, and I'm gonna just use the same brush. I'm just gonna set it. Then I'm gonna take the setting powder and just tap it. And that is the brightest, that's as bright as I'm gonna go. I can use, well, no, I don't have to use the other powder. I'm pretty sad. I've done a lot to my under eye right now. Yeah, this is as bright as I'm gonna go. Okay, now I'm gonna conceal the rest of the places I conceal, which is just here, and then my nose. And then I'm gonna contour my nose, and then contour my face. Alright, I am all into this face. I need to do my lashes now. I don't know what it is about fluffy lashes, but they make me feel like a freaking babby. Even though I wear glasses, I'm so going to take that risk. See what I can do. I can highlight. Can I highlight with this? Freaking cute. Dip into this palette, get some pressed gold to hold it down. Oh my god, you just scratched my face. Well, I need to blend out this right here somewhere. And that is that on that in this period. If you enjoyed this face, if you enjoy me, subscribe, give me a like, leave me a comment down below. Wig videos and makeup videos on the way.